Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arut channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see in the personal finance some best recurring deposits with good returns up to 8%. For more information we shall go to the inside of the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall go to the inside the video. Hello investors, recurring deposits RDs are a type of investment that resembles fixed deposits. In contrast to a lump sum balance in an fixed deposit, you must make monthly deposits in recurring deposits. Individuals who want a regular income in the form of interest rate against the deposit can invest in recurring deposits. The recurring interest rates vary from one bank to other, as well as depending on considerations such as tenure, type of depositor, that is non-senior citizen or senior citizens, deposit amount and so on. If compared to the non-senior citizen, all banks offer senior citizen preferential treatment in terms of interest rates. On recurring deposits, currently some small finance banks are giving the highest interest rates up to 8%. Here we have take 4 small finance banks which are currently providing higher interest rates on recurring deposits to both senior and non-senior citizens. First, we have to discuss about Utkarsh Small Finance Bank recurring deposit. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank recurring deposit comes with a tenure of 6 months up to 10 years. Across the tenure, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is currently providing an interest rate of 6.5% to 8% to non-senior citizen and 7% to 8.5% to senior citizens. One must make recurring deposit in multiples of rupees 100 only. Secondly, we have to discuss about Jana Small Finance Bank recurring deposits. On recurring deposits with terms ranging from 6 months to 10 years, Jana Small Finance Bank proposes interest rates ranging from 4% to 7.25%. Senior citizen will get an additional 50 basis points for these deposits. In these deposits, senior citizen will earn interest rates ranging from 4.5% to 7.75%. The recurring deposit interest rates of Jana Small Finance Bank are in effect from 11th April 2021. Thirdly, we have to discuss about Suryodaya Small Finance Bank recurring deposit. This bank deposits varies based on the tenure from 5.5% to 7.25% for general customers and 6% to 7.75% for senior citizens. The bank offers the highest rate of interest on 5-year deposits. The general public and the senior citizen will get 7.25% and 7.75% interest rate on these deposits respectively. Suryodaya Bank's most recent recurring deposit interest are with effect from 15th February 2021. Fourth, we have to discuss about Northeast Small Finance recurring deposit. This bank offers interest rates ranging from 4.25% to 7.5% on recurring deposits maturing in 3 months to 10 years. Northeast Small Finance Bank is now offering a highest interest rate of 7.5% for a 2-year maturity term. The current recurring deposit interest rates are effective from 19th April 2021. The investor wants to open any RD accounts. First, open a savings account to open an RD account with any of the above listed banks. The minimum recurring deposit term for most small banks is 6 months and the limit is 10 years. One can open an recurring deposit account with a minimum deposit of ₹100 with any of these banks. However, these small finance banks have some terms and conditions that you should consider before opening on recurring account. To know more about the terms and conditions, click on the link of the respective name of the bank. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank, Saryoda Small Finance Bank and the Northeast Small Finance Bank. Tax deducted at a source. The interest you receive on your recurring deposit is subject to a 10% tax deduction at source. But in case you did not submit your PAN to the bank, tax deduction at source will be deducted at a rate of 20%. Hello viewers, this information may be helpful to you, and also I thank to you for watching this video in full. I shall meet you very shortly in the next video. Once again, thank you very much.